Hey party lovers! Welcome back to your favorite celebration ideas corner. Today, we're diving into the sweetest theme you can imagine, strawberry birthday party. Fresh, fruity, and fun. This adorable theme is perfect for kids and even berry-loving adults. Whether it's your little girl's first birthday or a garden picnic celebration, this vibe is pure joy. We'll explore unique decoration ideas that will turn your space into a strawberry wonderland. From backdrops to balloon ideas, and DIY setups to budget tips, we've got you covered. How do I start planning a strawberry-themed birthday party? Begin with a color palette. Think strawberry red, leaf green, and white. Choose a venue that supports garden or picnic vibes. Design simple invites with strawberry elements, berries, blossoms, baskets. Decide on the number of guests early so you can plan accordingly. Use Pinterest boards or mood boards for visual direction. List all decoration items, DIY props, and food concepts. Keep it playful and light. It's all about fresh, fruity fun. What kind of backdrop can I create for a strawberry theme? Go for a balloon arch with shades of red, pink, and green. Add a white curtain or picnic checkered fabric as a base. Use strawberry cutouts, felt leaves, and paper flowers. You can add a banner that says, "Berry Sweet Birthday." Don't forget a fake grass mat or garden fencing at the base. Make it Instagram-worthy with fairy lights and photo props. Personalize with the birthday child's name on foam or wood. Subscribe now for more DIY party backdrops in upcoming videos. Any ideas for cake and dessert setup? Strawberry drip cake with whipped cream and fresh berries is a winner. Mini strawberry tarts, cupcakes with strawberry toppers, and jellies are must-haves. Display them on tiered trays with green leaves underneath. Use pink icing or strawberry-shaped cookies to match the theme. You can even create a strawberry sweets station. Add fun labels like berry yummy, sweet and juicy, etc. Don't forget a cake topper that says "Berry First Birthday." Want a dessert table checklist? Check the description box. What table decorations match this theme? Cover the table with a red checkered or green cloth. Use strawberry baskets filled with red candy or real berries. Add tiny flower vases with white daisies and wildflowers. Place name tags with berry illustrations for each guest. Add paper doilies or pink napkins folded into fruit shapes. Scatter confetti shaped like strawberries or mini leaves. Strawberry-shaped plates or cups, DIY paper sleeves work wonders. Like what you hear? Hit the like and follow for more details. What should the kids' play area look like? Set up a picnic-style play corner with strawberry bean bags or mats. Add soft balls in red and green for a color splash. Strawberry-themed toys or coloring stations keep kids engaged. You can have a berry toss ring game or a cupcake decorating table. Use fake grass or felt rugs to keep the play area safe and cute. Don't forget tiny chairs and a sunshade umbrella for outdoor setup. Include a selfie station with strawberry hats and props. Any outfit ideas for the birthday child? Go for a red dress with green accents. Perfect strawberry vibes. A headband with a strawberry or leaf bow adds magic. Boys can wear red overalls or checkered shirts with green suspenders. Use felt or cotton for comfort during summer birthdays. DIY strawberry onesies or tutu sets are easy and adorable. Even socks and shoes can be color-themed. Add a sash or pin with very cute birthday girl boy. Love this idea? Let us know in the comments what you dress your child in. Can I do a budget version of this theme? Absolutely. Use more DIYs and printable decorations. Buy bulk balloons and handcraft strawberry designs. Reuse mason jars, old trays, and picnic cloths. Skip fancy cake tables. Create your own with cardboard levels. Use artificial flowers and handmade banners. Focus on color coordination, not expensive items. Creativity matters more than cost when it comes to themes. How do I keep the strawberry theme consistent? Use your main color scheme in everything: decor, food, games, and invites. Print or paint strawberry designs on banners, plates, and props. Add small touches, napkins, table cards, and even background music. Themed games, favors, and outfits help tie it all together. Avoid mixing too many other fruits to keep it focused. Stick to red, green, pink as your visual identity. Plan ahead so you don't go off theme midway. What are some fun party favors for guests? Mini jars of strawberry jam with cute labels are a hit. Strawberry-shaped erasers, stickers, or coloring books for kids. DIY berry-scented candles or soaps for adults. Pack in red mesh bags or craft boxes with a ribbon. You can even do strawberry seeds candy in small envelopes. Tag with thanks for being very sweet, budget-friendly, yet memorable takeaways. Subscribe to see more party favor ideas in the next video. How do I decorate the entrance for this theme? Use a berry patch signboard made of cardboard or wood. Frame the doorway with red and green balloons. Place strawberry baskets or flower pots on either side. Add a welcome mat with a cute strawberry design. Hang a garland of leaves and mini strawberries above. You can add a chalkboard saying, "Welcome to the berry party." Keep it simple, charming, and inviting for guests. Tap the like button if this entry idea sparked your creativity. What lighting setup looks good for this party? Use warm string lights or fairy lights wrapped in leafy garlands. Lanterns with strawberry paper cutouts add a soft glow. You can DIY strawberry lampshades with red paper and green tops. LED strawberry lights are great for the cake or dessert table. Outdoor garden lights or hanging jars work for evening vibes. Use battery-operated lights for safety and flexibility. Dim lights plus berry decor equal to magical look. Enjoying these tips? Like now before you forget. Strawberry theme parties are fresh, fun, and full of creativity. You don't need expensive decor, just a sweet vision and smart planning. With DIY touches, nature-inspired colors, and berry-themed props, you can turn any space into a strawberry wonderland. Whether it's a backyard picnic or an indoor celebration, this theme guarantees smiles and lasting memories. Keep it cozy, colorful, and camera-ready at every corner. And remember, you don't need brands to make magic. What are some strawberry-themed game ideas for kids? Interactive games keep the party lively and memorable for the little guests. Try pin the leaf on the strawberry using a big poster and cutouts. A strawberry scavenger hunt using small berry toys or paper cutouts is exciting. Host a berry spoon race where kids carry a strawberry on a spoon. Set up a DIY cupcake decorating station with strawberry toppings. Guess the number of berries in the jar is fun for both kids and adults. Save this video to your party planning playlist so you don't lose these fun ideas. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it now. Share it with someone who's planning a birthday party soon. Drop your questions or ideas in the comments. We read every one. Check out the next video in our playlist for more cute themes. Instagram checklist and decor ideas are waiting in the description box. Your support keeps this channel very awesome. Subscribe and stay tuned for more sweet celebration tips.